What's up, YouTubers? This is Daryl V 1986, and today is March 14, 2014. And actually tomorrow, right here, it's my father's birthday, March 15.
Tomorrow.
But
the
celebration will happen today.
It's gonna be held today
because I will be working on March 15. So if today is March 15, it will be better, but it's the same thing. So right now we're gonna do we're gonna eat in a restaurant located in Union City, in Union Landing. It's called Tribu Grill, and so I will call.
It will be our first time.
It will be it's going to be our first trip there, first time to it. So this is the adventure of Tribu Grill in Union Landing. So see you there. Adios. Okay, we are now here in Union Landing. Check the screen. We are now here in Union Landing. You gonna record ba yan? You sure? Yeah. So we are in the traffic light. As you see, the Jollibee's in the corner right there. And hold on, the traffic here is absolutely terrible. So right now we're approaching Union Landing. It is 6:11 p.m. March 14, 2014, and I am here to celebrate my father's birthday. So we're gonna dine in Tribu Grill. So here's Union Landing. It's a big place. Century Theater is located in Union Landing. Lots of stores, lots of fine dining. So we're gonna make a right turn over here, Union Landing, and Tribu Grill is located a little bit further on Starbucks. Yes, we're gonna go straight here. Oh my God! Shit! Stop. Hindi naman tapat sa tao. Okay, here we go. Actually, Tribu Grill is on the right there, on the right
side.
Right corner right there. It says open. That is Tribu Grill. So we're gonna head there over there right now, and we're gonna dine. Just gonna look for a parking spot. So we're making a left turn. Can you oh my God, man. It's Friday, so there's a lot of people in here, man. It's a bad thing about it. It's very hard to... Okay, you can stop recording. Just press the red button again. Right here. Sumubo ka nga first time. Hindi mo ng verde. Okay ba?
Okay yun.
Yung karami?
Hindi pa.
May sawa ka dito sa toyo.
Good.
Okay naman?
Ayan.
Yeah? No problem.
Tama.
Ready na?
Hindi na.
Nakakunan mo na? Nakasindi na?
Okay.
Kulay pula?
Patay ko na.
Ay, huwag muna. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Dalvin1986, and today we just ate in Tribu Grill. And to be honest with you, Tribu Grill is not that special.
But to me, it's just right.
I was eating there, and I actually want to get the hell out of that place. And the service was a little bit slow, you know.
Just regular.
When you ask for something, it take a while before they can bring it to you, like the bibingka, you know, the food. So you must have lots of time. If you are in hurry and you will eat there, you know, it's not the right place for you. But anyway, you know, I think that's the first and the last time I will eat in Tribu Grill. And it's not that special, you know. I thought it's something special when you eat there, like, it's gonna be great, like the one I seen on YouTube. But yeah. So today is my father's birthday. No, tomorrow is my father's birthday. But
we
celebrated it today, so
it's okay for me.
Okay, so and the final I have to give his gift for him. Anyway, adios.